Đúng không? Cầm chim này, chim kia đấy kìa. Con hạt đấy. Con hạt đấy. Coi hạt.
Here, all right. Now a little bit about this fella right here. All right, over here we have Gucci. Okay. Now Gucci is one of our hand-raised penguins right here in Jurong Bird Park. All right. What does it mean to be hand-raised? Okay. Little backstory about Gucci right here. When he was really small.
Chim bay. Chim bay.
Okay. Alright, so let's see the other species. Oh, this one. Right here, this is the Caucasian pelican. They are the
Em nói
ones
thêm vậy.
and tallest in the flamigo family. And these birds, they can reach a height of about 1
Bay ghê. Bay ghê.
And then we have everyone. Can we give all of the birds a big hand? Well done, guys. So with that, we have come to the end of the show. So I
Ồ, đẹp chưa? Đẹp chưa? Đấy. Họ không dùng cái bóng còi, mà dùng bóng chuông keng keng. Đấy. Nước à.
Bữa nhà mình đi qua đó đó nha.
Đấy. Chuẩn bị keng keng.
So what Vicky here is doing right now, she is
Boys and girls, welcome to Penguin Coast. My name is Ben. I'm a penguin keeper right here in Jurong Bird Park. Alright, so what's going to happen is there's going to be two parts to this penguin encounter / feeding session, okay? So the first part is there will be a small chit-chat session where I'll be sharing a couple of facts about these African penguins over the next few minutes. And then followed by that, there will be a guest feeding session, okay? So now do take note, the guest feeding session is strictly for those who already purchased